Good morning, people of YouTube, and welcome back to another Iceland video. Welcome to our road trip then, guys. This is me going over the line and bleeping at me because I'm driving terrible. I shouldn't be talking while driving because I can barely drive by the sounds of it. This is Iceland and this is beautiful. The first place we're going to today is called, what's it called, Tommy?
Akranes?
Yeah, well, that's how we're calling it anyway today.
It could be Akranes or Arcanes. Sean's put it in my head that it's Arcanes, but I think it's Akranes because of dyslexia.
We're going to follow the coastal route round today and we're going right up, well, here's a map anyway. This is a map of where we're going.
You're going to get beeped at again.
Oh, sorry. Following the slow person, but I'm not overtaking because I don't know how to overtake. Anyway, so we're going to follow the coastal road today and we're going to show you some cool places and hopefully get some drone shots, and they're going to be fantastic. But I reckon the guy in front of us is also a tourist.
Yeah, he's just like, I'ma just go the speed limit, I'ma not get anyone killed, because apparently speeding tickets are extortionate in Iceland.
He's probably doing the same as me. He's like, yeah.
I don't have a clue.
Wow, I can see the ice on the roads. Ooh.
But it's fine because the tyres have got like metal studs on them to stop you from.
And they're quite flat. The
sliding.
Tires.
You're not allowed a tracker here.
No trackers.
No trackers.
No trackers. Right. Anyway, that mountain in front of us looks absolutely awesome. That's kind of why I got Holly to film for a second. We will catch up with you guys in a second when we're at our next stop of wherever the place is.
The camera's not really doing the mountains justice to be fair. No. Because it's so light outside as well, it's blown it out a little bit.
Hopefully I can do a little bit of editing and pick it up. Yeah. But the mountains here look like the Alps, don't they?
Yeah.
They're just like, but they've got a really fine ridge.
Sean, I've got a question for you though.
What?
How did the snow get up there?
I don't know, how did the snow get up there, Holly?
Oh, it's another roundabout, Sean.
I know, well, I've worked this out. Just stay in this lane in front of this car. If he does it wrong, then I do it wrong. If he turns off, no, he's turned off! What do I do? I've managed it. Yeah. I need to find another support buddy. So we just found a random car park. Well, where would you say we are? Mógilsá?
Mógilsá?
The name of it has obviously got so many accents in the letters we don't actually know how to pronounce it, but this is where we are. It's absolutely beautiful here. And I'm going to be my first place in Iceland that I'm going to try and fly my drone.
Let's do it quickly because it's -2 outside.
Yeah, it's cold. Right. Smoky underneath here.
Probably like volcanic.
It must be warm. It must.
Yeah, it feels warmer, but I don't know if that's just
the heating, but it's just really weird. So this is going under the. I thought it was going to be a bridge it was going over, but it turns out it's just a tunnel
under the ocean.
Oh, my ears are starting to pop.
Yeah, mine done it as well.
Yeah.
Looks awfully like the Clyde tunnel.
Feels like it hasn't been finished though. Like the walls just feel like they've just like carved it. Like, right, hey guys, go. Like this, he just finished it with the smoke. There's someone drilling at the other end. Wow, it's really warm, isn't it? The car's getting so warm. What's it say on the? How warm does it say outside? 12 degrees. There you go. It is warm.
Wow. Yeah.
It's really warm underneath here.
Not got to focus, are you? Yeah, 12 degrees.
So we are at the lighthouse. This is
Akranes
Lighthouse, and there's two of them. Oh, I think I just dropped the map. I'm doing well.
Right. Gentleman in the visitor centre came out and told us there's 150 lighthouses in Iceland, and this is the only one you can go in.
Yeah.
You can't go in any other ones.
And the guy was also a knower. He came out. Nothing on his seat. Yeah, just in his socks. I was like, what? You got Okay.
As you do, pal.
Yeah. Friendly as anything, like everyone in Iceland so far we've met.
Probably don't expect to see a lot of people. I think that's what it is.
Yeah.
In the winter months.
Yeah, we just randomly stumbled on this, and he was like, "Yeah, come have a look. This is
people. Hello.
This is beautiful. This lighthouse is." Just want to walk down there and then walk in the lighthouse. And he said, like, pay on the way back. It's like, yeah, just come pay on the way back. It's like,
They're very trusting.
Yeah.
Icelandic, like that's Icelanders, like are very same with what was it we were talking about the other day? Towels. When you get them in the lagoons, they just trust that you're going to give them back.
Yeah. Oh, the first one's here today. That's cool. I feel like it must have just opened at like 9 o'clock or something. But yeah. Please close the door behind you. Yes. Oh. What did you think of this whole place? Because that's kind of it.
I mean, it's lovely scenery around, but the town's just like a ghost town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's tiny. So we are now off to
That's sticky.
Budia. Yeah.
Budia?
Budia.
Something like that.
We're gonna be stopping on the way. So let's head off.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it, but you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets, 'cause I already forgot.
We're turning around.
This was
Just in case you haven't noticed, it's now snowing. Which it wasn't about half a mile.
We
back
literally
way.
just put the camera down. Like we was talking, we put the camera down, and then it literally the road just
Snow.
changed.
So you want me to put Reykjavik back in?
Yeah. Yeah, just put that in for the time being. We'll just get out of this sort of area because it wasn't rain then we saw ahead of us. It was snow. Ooh. Keep the filming on because I want to show how the
just
road
quickly it changes.
back if it does.
We're only 2 hours from home, Sean.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
East on Snæfellsnes
Look, that's my tyres.
And you heard it say it. Snæfellsnes.
That's the tyres that I was just driving down.
Yeah.
Continue on
literally on that opposite side of the road.
68 kilometres.
She says kilometres really annoyingly as well, and it upsets me every time.
Kilometres.
68 kilometres. It's harder to say than
Kilometres.
68 kilometres. I get it as a kilo, and it makes sense for it to be kilometres, but it just sounds horrible. I also think it might be snowing back where we're going, by the way.
What, which field was you got? No, that place.
No, over that, like actually Reykjavik.
That red building was literally where we turned the camera off, wasn't it?
Thereabouts, yeah.
Yeah.
Sean was like, oh, where's the bit we turned back? And like, we literally just passed it.
I was like, yeah, we all...
I think it's just going to take us back this same way we came.
I was going to say, maybe we're turned down that road, but I think that might just be as bad.
Yeah, I would say just kind of get away from the Highlands, which is what that obviously is.
Wow, it just changed so quickly. Obviously, this has just happened, so it's not properly iced up yet. It's not, because obviously you saw all the cars just blowing it up. Woo! Oh yeah. You can see that the road's starting to change a little bit up there.
Yeah. You'll know for certain when we get to the petrol station.
Petrol station, yeah, because it was fine at the petrol station. It was just a little bit.
The battery just needs to hold out until then.
The road's
like, look at it now.
Yeah, the road's getting better.
There's no snow.
No.
It's wet. It's raining now.
A little bit of snow on the roads, a little tiny bit. But obviously
it's bizarre.
That was just so weird. Yeah, so that's
It was like the snowy roads in Scotland.
Yeah, they say this when you plan a trip in Iceland to do a road trip. Make sure that you're able to abandon your trip at any times, because it's not worth sticking to a trip and getting.
Yeah, it's like we wanted to go further north, but doing that you risk getting stuck. Like you can see, there's nothing around you.
Look, the road's fine. That's where we came from. That's why it was snow. Look, it was probably coming off that mountain. Right, anyway, there's one thing that we need to do. Oh, look at my cute little car. We have a drone to fly. We're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. I'm going to look on Google Maps to give you a name.
There's no signal here, so good luck.
Well, it should be able to give me a point of it, shouldn't it? Where am I? I'm in Hamalu.
Rodamia?
Well, it's on the screen anyway for you guys. That could have been some of the best shots I've ever had on my drone. Not like anything creative or... Alright, choose wherever... Alright, hello. I just decided to lock onto something. I was saying, I think that's some of the best shots I've ever had on my drone. I don't think it's because they're the most artistic shots that I've taken, but the colours, the reddy sort of colour of the ground, the gravel, and the snow in the background. Crazy. And the fact that we're in the middle of nowhere, it's just beautiful. We're then going to the shopping centre today. So we're going to show you... What's the shopping centre called?
Kringlan?
Kringlan. Yeah, something like that. It's in Reykjavik.
Reykjavik.
Yeah.
Reykjavik.
Right, okay. And it's in there, and we're just going to show you that. Right, let's go. We made it back to...
Kringlan.
To where?
Kringlan.
To England.
They will be deporting you back to England.
To Kringlan, as Holly likes to say. Wow, it's still very scenic out. It's about to go dark. It will be dark. It will be dark by the time we get out of here. We're going to have a little look around this shopping centre, have a look what they've got to offer, and get some food. And that'll probably be our night. So enjoy the rest of this video.
No?
So we've had a look around. We're probably going to head back home and get a Domino's pizza. But we're just going to have a look around the bottom of this area at the moment. Everything is super expensive down here though. Like even like budget stuff is expensive. So there you go guys. This is us with our Domino's. Let's have a look. I'll just think it looks like. Oh, that looks good. Got some breadsticks and some sauces as well. Join us next week for another episode in our car. We don't know where we're going yet. We haven't decided if it's the, what lagoon? The Skylar's good, sounds good. Or going to an ice cave, but depending on how close and how far they are. But yeah, join us next week for one of those two experiences in Iceland. That was not creepy at all. Anyway, I'll see you next week. I hope if we're still alive. Bye.
Son?
Oh yeah. I'll see you.
Son?
Soon.